Venmo has revolutionized digital payments, becoming one of the most popular peer to peer payment platforms in the United States. With over 90 million active users as of late 2024, it has transformed how people send and receive money. To send money through Venmo, you first need to link a payment method to your account. This can be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. The setup process is straightforward and secure. The sending process involves four simple steps. First, enter the recipient's username, phone number, or email address. Then specify the amount you want to send, add an optional note describing the payment, and finally confirm the transaction. Standard Venmo users have a weekly sending limit of $4,999.99. This limit resets every 7 days on a rolling basis, providing flexibility for regular users while maintaining security. Venmo's fee structure is straightforward. Bank transfers and debit card transactions are completely free. However, if you choose to fund your payment with a credit card, Venmo charges a 3% fee on the transaction amount. Receiving money through Venmo is even simpler. When someone sends you money, the funds appear instantly in your Venmo balance. You can then choose how to access these funds through two transfer options. You have two options for transferring your Venmo balance to your bank account. The standard transfer is free, but takes 1 to 3 business days. For immediate access, you can choose an instant transfer, which costs 1.75% of the transfer amount. For business users, there's an important tax consideration. If you receive more than $600 annually through Venmo for business purposes, the IRS requires you to receive Form 1099-K for tax reporting purposes. Venmo makes it easy to request money from friends and contacts. You can select any contact, enter the amount you need, add a description, and send the request instantly. The platform includes helpful features like automatic reminders for unpaid requests. If someone doesn't pay within 60 days, the request will automatically expire. Venmo provides comprehensive digital receipts and record keeping. Every transaction is stored with timestamps and descriptions, creating a complete searchable history. You can export all your transaction data in CSV format for tax and accounting purposes. Venmo also integrates with popular budgeting apps like Mint and YNAB to help you track your spending. The Venmo debit card is accepted at millions of locations worldwide and offers excellent benefits. You can earn up to 3% cash back at select merchants and get free ATM withdrawals at MoneyPass locations. MoneyPass provides access to over 30,000 ATM locations where you can withdraw cash for free using your Venmo debit card. Venmo allows you to link multiple bank accounts and debit cards to your account. You can designate one as your primary account for automatic payments, making transactions seamless and convenient. These features make Venmo a comprehensive payment platform that goes beyond simple money transfers, offering complete financial management tools for modern digital transactions.